7 scriptural facts on God's counsel. 7 scriptural facts on God's counsel. Isaiah chapter 25 verse 1. O Lord, you are my God. I will exalt you. I will praise thy name. For thou hast done wonderful things. Thy counsels of old are faithfulness and truth. 7 facts you need to know about God's purpose. The scripture I read concluded that the counsel of God, they are of old and they are faithfulness and truth. Now, we need to know first what is God's counsel. Number 1, it is God's purpose, the decision of God's mind. Psalm 33 verse 11, God says, it will be just as I have determined. Number 2, God's counsel, it is God's supernatural guidance and wisdom He imparts. Isaiah 28 verse 29. And number 3, what is God's counsel? It is God's predeterminate plan. Isaiah 46 verse 10. God says, as I have planned, as I have proposed, so shall it be. Now, let me now show you 7 scriptural facts of God's counsel. Number 1, God decides whatever He wills by Himself. God does not have any counselor. He does not consult with anyone. That is in Isaiah 40 verses 13 and 14. Number 2, God will fulfill His purpose. Isaiah 14 verse 24. He said, just as I have determined, so will I do. Verse number 3, there is no one who can nullify or truncate God's predeterminate counsel. Isaiah 14:27, he said, I have stretched forth my hand. Who will turn it back? I have spoken. Who will disannul it? Number 4, God's counsel shall stand. Proverbs chapter 19 and verse 21. And number 5, God's counsel is not of works, but of election of grace. Romans chapter 9 verse 11. And number 6, God's counsel is eternal. That's what we have in Ephesians chapter 3 verse 11. And lastly, God's counsel is immutable. That is, what God has decided to do in your life, it is unchangeable. That is what Hebrews chapter 6 verse 17 say. I want to enjoy you to share this message, and at the same time I want to invite you to join the saint of God in an intensive training, EFD. It's just a week, August 9 to August 16. It's taking place in Gosen, Ibadan, Akubo. God bless you.